Good evening, I'm Shameka Neely. In 2008, the World Health Organization disputed claims that electronic cigarettes can help people quit smoking. Still, e-cigarette companies continue to market themselves as a safe alternative. WTIU's Noel Brennan reports.
A friend first offered Matthew Dowden an electronic cigarette, and he vividly remembers his first puff.
It made me cough and hack and do one of these things.
E-cigarettes work the same way as normal cigarettes, except when the user inhales, a component inside the device heats and vaporizes liquid nicotine, resulting in a puff of what looks like smoke. But it's not smoke. So what's really inside e-cigarettes?
Obviously they have nicotine in them, that's the whole point. But they have found carcinogens, they found diethylene glycol, which is in antifreeze.
But John Macy says e-cigarettes have fallen through the cracks of FDA regulation because they're not considered drugs.
Why use something that we don't know anything about in terms of its safety when we do have these other products that we know that they work and we know that they're safe?
Macy says nicotine patches, gum, and lozenges have undergone the rigorous scientific study the e-cigarette product is lacking. The absence of regulations means they can be sold anywhere, including online.
Those of us in the public health community are concerned that kids are going to get their hands on them and use them as kind of a starter nicotine product.
On Thursday, the National Association of Convenience Stores recommended that electronic cigarettes be placed under the category of other tobacco products, which means retailers would have to card minors before purchasing e-cigarette products. Reporting for WTIU News, I'm Noel Brennan.
State Auditor Tim Berry reported Thursday that despite the economic recession and lower revenue collection than expected, Indiana's current cash reserves total nearly $1.2 billion. Berry says a number of factors contributed to the higher than expected surplus, but House Democratic leader Pat Bauer says the state isn't celebrating a healthy budget or a job creation, it's celebrating cuts. Indiana spent $1.5 billion less than anticipated in previous two-year budgets. A look at your weather tonight: mostly clear, lows in the lower 60s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, highs in the upper 80s. Tomorrow night, mostly clear, lows in the upper 60s.